Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Blender and switch to the scripting workspace to begin. Enable the Python console in the window menu to see outputs. Confirm the bundled interpreter version in Preferences. For example, Blender 4.0 uses Python 3.11 and must match external tools. If you need a separate interpreter, install it and point Blender to the executable path. Create a new text block in the text editor to write your script. Save the file with a Py extension before executing. Write scripts in the text editor using clear structure and comments for clarity. Use the Python console for quick expressions and introspection of BPY. Types and objects. Import BPY at the top of your script to access Blender data and operators. Consult the Blender Python API documentation frequently for classes like BPY. Data, BPY, ops, and BPY. Context. Use print statements and the info editor to capture executed operator calls. When creating reusable tools, convert scripts into add-ons with a BL info dictionary. Implement register and unregister functions to integrate with Blender menus and panels. Enable auto-run Python scripts only for trusted projects because of security risks. Use the built-in debugger or attach an external IDE for step debugging and breakpoints. Test scripts on small scenes before batch processing large files to avoid data loss. Keep backups and use version control like Git to manage script changes and rollback safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.